Welcome to the Bodhi Academy. My name is Shrutika and today let us learn a new chapter from Standard 12, that is Human Health and Diseases. So what is the meaning of human health? So the state of complete physical, mental and social well-being is called as health. Health simply does not means disease-free condition or physical fitness. Health is affected by genetic disorder, the defect which child inherits from the parent, infection from microbes or other organism, and lifestyle including food and water we take, exercise and rest. So all these factors determines the health of a person. So good health can be maintained by balanced diet, personal hygiene, regular exercises, awareness about the disease and their effects, immunization against the infectious disease, proper disposal of wastage, control of vectors, and maintenance of hygienic food and water. So these are some factors which we can follow in our lifestyle to maintain a good health. So now let us know what is a disease. A disease can be broadly grouped into infectious and non-infectious. So infectious diseases are diseases which are easily transmitted from one person to another, called as infectious disease. Example is AIDS, then common cold, malaria, tuberculosis, etc. Then comes non-infectious disease. These are diseases which cannot be transmitted from one person to another and are called as non-infectious diseases. Example is cancer, hypertension, that is high blood pressure, diabetes, etc. So common diseases in human beings are caused by the microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, fungus, protozoa, helminths, helminths are called as pathogens. So pathogens can enter the body by various means and multiple and interfere with normal vital activity, resulting in morphological and functional damage. So this is how a disease is caused in human beings. That is, when the pathogens which infects the human being inside the body causes changes in the vital activities which causes the imbalance in our body, that is termed as the disease. So now let us see which are some common diseases in human beings and their symptoms. So the first type of disease in human being is typhoid. So this is caused by bacteria, that is Salmonella typhi is a pathogenic bacteria which causes typhoid fever in human beings. This pathogen generally enters the small intestine through food and water contaminated with them and migrate to other organs through blood. So this bacteria causes the disease typhoid, which goes into our small intestine and infects through the contaminated food and water. Sustain high fever, that is 30 to 40 degrees, weakness, stomach pain, constipation, headache and loss of appetite are some of the common symptoms of typhoid. Intestinal perforation and death may also occur in severe cases. So this can lead to serious damage in our body, that is it can cause death also. So these are some examples of symptoms of typhoid and how the typhoid is caused. Second one is pneumonia. So bacteria like Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenza are responsible for the disease pneumonia in humans, which infects the alveolar air-filled sac of the lungs. As a result of the infection, the alveoli get filled with fluid, leading to severe problems in respiration. The symptoms of pneumonia include fever, chills, cough, and headache. In severe cases, the lips and the fingernails may turn grey to bluish in color. So, these are some symptoms of the disease pneumonia caused by bacteria Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenza. Then the next one is common cold. So reoviruses represent such a group of viruses which causes most infectious human elements, that is the common cold. So they infect the nose and the respiratory passage but not the lungs. The common cold is characterized by nasal congestion and discharge, sore throat, hoarseness, cough, headache, tiredness, etc., which usually last for 3 to 7 days. So these are some symptoms of common cold which is caused by reoviruses. Then comes the next one, that is malaria. So malaria is caused due to a protozoan, that is Plasmodium, a tiny protozoan. It is responsible for the disease malaria. Different species of Plasmodium, that is Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malaria, uh, Plasmodium falciparum, are responsible for the different types of malaria. On this malignant malaria caused by Plasmodium falciparum is most serious one and can even be fatal. So malaria is caused due to protozoans, and there are different kinds of protozoans, that is Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malaria, and Plasmodium falciparum, which causes different types of malaria depending upon the protozoan which enters into the body of human being. So these are some different examples of diseases which are caused in human beings due to bacteria, viruses, and protozoans. So in today's video, what we have learned is what is health, how health can be maintained, what is disease, what are the types of diseases, and which are some common diseases in human beings. So thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the Bodhi Academy.